Hey, it's Dan Lesniak, founder of the Orange Line Living Team and broker of Optime Realty, which is also home to the Carrie Scholl team. Thanks a lot for taking the time to look at this month's newsletter. Spring has been off to a great start for our team. We've added lots of new members. We are helping tons of buyers and sellers in the area, so it's been a great start to the year. I hope it's been for you and your family and friends as well. Thank you to everyone who came out to our client casino appreciation event last week. It was great seeing so many of you. We had a great time. A lot of fun was had. We raised some money for Doorways, which is a great charity doing great work in our area. So thank you. I got a couple of events coming up in March. We've got some great buyer seminars. So if you're thinking about buying a new home, be sure to check out that link. We've got some seminars geared towards first-time home buyers as well as some geared towards new construction. So we specialize more than any other team or agent in the area in new construction single-family homes. We've got a bunch of great builder partnerships, a bunch of great listings and opportunities. So the new construction seminar would be a great way to learn about that. So check that out. Also, be sure and check out our featured listings. We've got a ton of great listings coming up. Some are not on the market yet. You can only find out about them through us. So make sure you check that out. If you're a potential seller, make sure you ask us about our off-market program. Not a lot of people know this, but we sell about 20% of our homes before they ever hit the market. It's a great advantage for our clients. They love it and can really help you take the stress and hassle out of selling your home. So make sure you ask us about that. If you know anybody, moving to the area or thinking about making a move, needs help buying or selling, we'd love to help them out. So please refer them to us. Also, if you know anybody in the real estate industry who's thinking about doing it as a career or maybe has been already and maybe wants to make a change, our team is hiring. We've been growing at a very fast rate. So send them our way and we'll see if we can help them have a great real estate career and provide excellent value to all of their clients. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. As always, I hope you have a great day and a great month. Thanks a lot.